Guys, alam niyo ba kung ano 'tong hawak ko? Hindi lang basta-basta product 'to. Ito yung sagot sa mga problema mo. Well, not all problems. Hindi 'to pang heartbroken. Pero legit, ito na ang game changer. Check this out. The name of the product is LED Cube Light. Grabe ang quality at affordable pa. Hindi mo na kailangan maghanapan ng iba kasi ito na yun. Sulit na sulit pa. Ganito lang kasimple gamitin. I-open muna natin. Ito siya. And by the way, ito pala yung lightings if wala ka nito. Alright? It comes with the charger and the product itself. So there is two buttons at the back of it. It's two buttons and the charger is here. Alright? So you clicked it. Alright, let's show it as a sample to me. Di ba? Ganda, no? First light. Second light. Third light. That's it. Let's do it again. First light. There's an adjustment. The second button. The second button. One. Low light. Second light. And third light. Alright? So, pwede rin dito. 1, 2. Yan. Kinukuha ka na ba ni Lord? Ha? Itong isa. Shadow kasi law. Pero ma-adjust mo na. Tawa. Kita mo? Yan. Aha! That's it. Thank you so much. We're gonna leave the yellow basket below, right? If you want to buy it. I'm gonna put some links in the comment section. If you don't see it, go ahead and buy it now. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.